2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, ABS 4-wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, fog lamps, power windows, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.